The drums have not been silenced. Coming up on Saturday, 1 p.m. on a channel called A Growing Culture, and also a Facebook page called A Growing Culture, as well as a page called Africa Week 2020. There will be a live broadcast. It's going to be a 2-hour family reunion of Mother Africa that will be taking place. I am opening with the libation ceremony and the drum call, and will be there with family and revolutionaries from throughout the African diaspora and from Mother Africa in celebration of who we be, and letting people know Black history is still being made as we live. It's not just in the books. It's not just in the archives. We be Black history. So when I look at you and I see me, that right there is the major part of the journey